wakwaba midi ede adwoa searching mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel me notification bell ne so for more news. Mr. Beautiful senetweni ewo Ghana hanoma me gidi se obia enime no na ode ensem bi atodwa afa his excellency na do dan Kwakufu Ado na fen so NPP amayoku no omo amembu omo ebu no ho nenam so na Felix appear political zone ono so wake kanadwe e de akyere na do fo ka senche ne yentie ensem a Mr. Beautiful e de etodwe nam so a Felix nso e kanadwe e de akyere no.
Don't take anything which is not for you, or don't lie to get anything on this earth. It's a curse. Never lie to get anything on this planet earth if the person is not wrong.
Who has lied to take something?
Kofi, you see the way this government is struggling. They will struggle till they leave power.
Ebusuafo ensem way na Mr. Beautiful e de atudwa na Mr. Beautiful no hu den o se den o de entro ebeje adia entro be na NPP fo e de ebeje amembu no ana 2016 yeto aba na Mr. Beautiful ni Ghana ha no ye de over 1 million votes na etu o man penidada John Dramani Mahama ninin nye ni pa ba ko o man muni na ne yembu afu because of dum so ntia yenka so man penidada John Dramani Mahama wan be bi of course oye de obetimi bia as a president minji ni so openi bia betena akondwa Ghana akondwa so a ne botai ni so obese o man no da bi obi abese obeye ni ye nti o man penidada eje bi. But the main reason why it did to o man penidada John Dramani Mahama 2016 it was because of dum so yebeka ya Yvonne Nelson a wotwa sene o tweetie e wone Twitter page keke demonstration okonya semketo akra na se oko interview e wo Kingdom FM e no mo bisa ne sa dentina economy no ayede na onye demonstration emfa ho Yvonne say dum so no o tweetie no onim ne ye nkofo bebre be support but economy hardship no waka ho asema nso obi am support no that means dum so na say niama we went through hell during sa o man pendada John Dramani Mahama ni dum so na ye kome no enti no MPP fo amfa akohwibia na beje akondwa no Ghana fo na ye to eti o man pendada John Dramani Mahama, and we still stand by it to say on sanso emeye president bio
so petu kofa hinchesha obi ansomo da esan say enye Ghana for person edi ni be di president na atamiris na ewu ye ma ne be hye honti no wo fui wo sorry a wo so ye fantini Gyimifuo enkrofo we na tete wo president atamiris ya ma ne wu ye but dia wo be dinti. This guy, he's so useless. He's so fucking useless. Like me shiana kamebu behead mebu pon rough. And so greedy. Oh, you're so useless and greedy. Very, very useless. That beautiful guy, no, very, very useless guy. One of the talented people we have, but Esan said not Jimmy, a Jimmy. So he's not able to make anything better for himself. Mumbisa ni say commercial piyoye ni na sika onya ayewe. And na wutu e dia wudi kurabo wo nenam radio stations and na wo attacking movie producers. What is said Jackie Apia and na baby ni producer bi kon because she made money. She invested her money well. Na the Abuari motenenka they invested their money well. Yvonne Nelson esukonoma ebe ro no ho kakra and there our production company. Yambisa kwasi ampeni beautiful say okondi odwanfunu Mahama echi no otumi the movie ba kokra bai otumi the ska e produce baby and then Lil Wayne atumi produce movie Ejako e produce movie Wayosi ohini yiri gifty Emilia Brobe Nana Mama Brown all of them. And now mama say well su kono ma kwada ketua no furu bebirebe kura no e fight so obey production. Wo kwasi ampani ni wo beye wo hunti no. We sika wunya wa fa nyetwe aboa wa betena wo say den. Wa betena wo say den kurase ni ya this kama wo no wo de ye de an. 2016 sika Mahama e pudi ma mboa bi te se mo no mo de ye de an. Akwa di ne basa. Akwa na poto. Abetra we nimsa esabe ahomachi bin. Ebe jina say ahindia no. The person who lied to office is nobody but that useless John Dramani Mahama you are campaigning for. Do you hear me? Nti se wo bi bia yira. Se wo de no wan fa mobra. Utie. Mr. Kwasia beautifully. Se wo no wan tumi amobra. Na obi etumi di onu ne movie a oye ye kuma wood or there be a store. Gloria Kanai no mukra one mukra there light mu na no mo so keke no ye tumi be a store.
Na adofuyente ensema anasa reply a Felix Apianso ede Emma Mr. Beautiful.
Ayade, some kind of one year I'm lying to do. But that why pa ni kasa.
Only one.
Yeah. One kasa pa. Why abana they are good in talking. They are very good in talking. Sanka President Akufo-Addo, Sanko Chonobo. Nanko implement free section. Or implement one of the best the money government. But we know about that. Now, because of pride, we're afraid of consorts. I don't see them. I'm thinking your government will can how. I don't see that Ghana will have a government.
No. The government is in power.
No, they are in power because they love power, but they are not governing the country. Nothing will work.
Are you cursing them?
I'm not cursing them. The curse is already following them. You see, President Mama and Sama what kind for you? Because you wamba out and you know kumpo. Wamba out. One different no. Last time maybe send there. Daddy. We better be so awesome. No say awesome. Now daddy. Posterity will be your judge in our canon. Why did you say that? Because posterity none can feed there. Ebia, also beautiful. That word, I don't know. Mankasa so me feed there. Mo ma kwat them akwam nkoma we wako. And sana Ghana fu hu modom faso. But na me nyim da me posterity or that close. Today, everybody wish the President Mama and call president. Because he's a kind man. He cares for them. Kofi.
Akufo-Addo na ban. How would you rate them? Say a teacher in a remark on 0 to 10 morning.
0.1.
Why? When you shake cry.
Kofi,